Namaskaram, Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter 59th sloka. In this sloka, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, if motivated by pride, you think I shall not fight, your decision will be in vain. Your own material, that is Kshatriya nature, will compel you to fight. So he is asking Arjuna to act as per his advice. Your nature is to fight because you are Kshatriyan, your basic nature, your original nature is to fight. But you are taking the decision, I am not fighting. That is out of pride. You are egoistic, so you are not listening to me and you are taking the decision. That decision is not good. So this was the advice given by Lord Krishna to Arjuna, and this is very much applicable to us in our daily life because we come across so many difficulties, challenges, and we think that we are the doers. We only drive everything. We are only taking independently. We are doing independently. But that is not true because we have not understood the consciousness of God. We are not in His consciousness. So our mind speaks. Our mind takes this kind of decision. And our Atma is influenced by the gunas. That is conditioned soul. Conditioned soul forgets God. It is influenced by the gunas. So Rajas, Tamas and Sattvic gunas. So when you have Rajas and Tamas gunas, naturally you forget the presence of God. You are not in His consciousness and you think what you desired is right. And your decision will not be correct. Your decision will not help anyone. So here Arjuna is taking the decision, I will not fight. But that is not going to help the people. That is not going to destroy adharma. So his decision is not helping anyone. So that is what Krishna is reminding him about his swadharma. We too have our own swadharmas and we too have responsibilities and we too have commitments to society. So by doing our karmas, we are contributing to the society. So when you contribute, when you take up our karma, it should be as per the scriptures. That is the process we follow. Should be as per the scriptures and the words of Lord Krishna. So the Bhagavad Gita is a manual, that is what we are discussing. Bhagavad Gita is a manual for our daily life. So our gunas they influence our decision. It should not be there. We should leave it to God. Whatever we do, that should be left to God. We are surrendering everything to God. So when you do that, the God decides. So we accept whatever the decision taken by the God. Because what we do with the consciousness of God, that is decided by the God. Only God is driving us. So we strongly believe that the decision I am taking is given by God. So naturally it will be a good decision. So let us have firm faith in that. Only then we listen to good advice. So sometimes we ignore. Even we get some good advice, we tend to ignore that. When our elders give some advice, parents give some advice, we do not listen to that because of our pride, because of our ego. We don't. We think that we can act independently. But we cannot act independently. Our Atma is not independent of God. So let's listen to our Atma and take the decision. So the way we all react is different from each individual. So it depends on his natural qualities. Suppose an accident takes place. Some people walk away, some people do prayer, some people they go into the action of calling ambulance and go with them and give enough help. So they do that. So that they all depends on our qualities. So here the qualities which are given, that is a natural qualities given by God. So we feel that God is driving us. So if you are in His consciousness, He gives us only the sattvic gunas. So we will be helping everyone. We will not do harm to others. That is very, very important. Our action will not affect anyone. We are not hurting people by our actions. Today we are seeing so many unwanted things happen, harming others, or hurting the innocent people. So when do you get that action of hurting others? When we are not in the consciousness of God. So every day's activities are governed by Lord. It should be in His consciousness. So let us listen to what the scriptures say. Because if we go as per the Shastram and we get the sattvic gunas, so the gunas decide the action. Because if we are in sattvic guna, we take good action, we help people, we do only good things to others. So our actions are helping others. So only such kind of actions are taken by us. Such kind of karma is taken by us. So this is what this sloka tells us. So we get that the presence of mind to do good things. That presence of mind is given by God. It is related to God's presence. It is not presence, it is presence of God in us. So if we have the presence of God in us, naturally He gives good directions. He makes us take only good decisions, wise decisions, sattvic decisions. So in this way, Bhagavad Gita is a manual for our daily life. Thank you.